Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So here I have my short ribs with some barbecue sauce here. And a little bit of, it was seasoned with Montreal steak seasoning. When I did the short ribs originally, and so that's just to see it with onion powder and garlic powder, and a little slap your mama seasoning on it, and then it has barbecue sauce. I am using here this is a gluten-free, keto-friendly wrap. It is a almond flour wrap. Here, I don't know if you guys ever heard of Chimichangas. Well, if you haven't, you hear it today. So this is my salmon. So this is actually salmon that I cooked up, that I shredded, that has some parsley in it, and it has some salmon seasoning, salmon all-purpose seasoning, has some smoked paprika in it, has some cumin in it as well, some mayo, some cream cheese. And that is our spread from fresh salmon for the wrap. Here's our vitamin content. So here I am this one I'm going to give like a little mix. One of them is already beef, one of them is already salmon, and then this one here. And then my cheese, I have some pepper jack cheese to the right of me, and I have some queso quesadilla to the left of me. And we are making, of course, some chimichangas. So we're making some short ribs, chimichanga, and we are making some salmon chimichanga. And we need some cheese. Okay, forgot to put some cheese here. The oil should be good. And I just wrap them like this, like I showed you. I'm just going to drop them in here. And here are a list of ingredients. I have my salmon piece. You doing short ribs?
Yes, since you're doing salmon.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
I'm going to dip mine in some sour cream.
Yeah, I'll try that.
Okay. All right. Nice new twist, huh?
Yeah, very good.
Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah.